Introducing the Ankaka Multi-Tool Tactical Pen, the ultimate 7-in-1 solution for your everyday needs. This pen goes beyond the ordinary, featuring a self-defense tip, flashlight, ballpoint, stylus, bottle opener, screwdriver, and hexagonal wrench. Crafted from tungsten carbide and aircraft aluminum, it's built for strength and durability. With its patented design, it offers a discreet yet effective self-defense option. Plus, it includes 5 inks and 9 batteries, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're writing or defending yourself, this pen has you covered. Check the Amazon link in the description for more details. Introducing the TAKEFLIGHT Multi-Tool Tactical Pen, the ultimate gift for him. Combining self-defense, LED flashlight, and sleek black design, it's perfect for military and outdoor survival. Crafted from durable aluminum, it's both stylish and functional. Packaged elegantly, it's ready to impress on any occasion, making it an ideal gift for brothers, dads, or any special man. Stand out with this unique and robust present. Check the Amazon link in the description and equip your loved one with the best in tactical gear. Introducing the Atomic Bear Multi-Tool Tactical Pen, your ultimate self-defense companion. This sleek black pen features a ballpoint, LED flashlight, glass breaker, screwdriver, hex driver, and bottle opener all in one. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's drop-tested and water-resistant. Be ready for anything with this discreet yet powerful tool, perfect for emergencies or everyday use. Includes 3 ink refills, 12 batteries, and a lifetime warranty. Check the Amazon link in the description for more details.